One of the strong value proposition of cloud computing is that a user can get resources on demand wherever he is. In order to support this, computing industry leaders used to develop data centers across the world depending on the cost and other availabilities. However, now there is a heightened concern about privacy of data and its location. Many of the companies, because of the many reasons such as spy cases and all, want the data of their citizens to be stored in their country only. This may go against the cost and profitability of companies. However, many companies seems to be bowing to the pressure. One such example come from Microsoft. Microsoft Germany is likely to offer cloud platform hosted by a German partner in a bid to keep German data safe from interception by US security agencies, according to the company CEO of Germany. Since the revelation of surveillance by US National Security Agency, German firms are increasingly want to keep data within the German borders. Microsoft is considering meeting this need by taking a partnership with Germany cloud companies for a service which only handle German data. So now for the first time there is a trend towards localizing the data. The users data of Indian users will stay in India if the Indian users insist that way.